kids! Zain here. Today let's learn together how to draw a cute puppy. Let's begin. First, we are going to draw a circle for the dog's head. For the body, we're going to draw a line at the bottom and bends that go up, and other bends right to the head. And for the hands, we're going to draw a U and a N for the another paw. And for the feet, bends from the body to the bottom, and 3 lines at the bottom for the toes, and a tail on the right. For puppy's ears, we'll draw bends from the head to halfway, and bends at the bottom to make the dog's ears look realistic. For the mouth, you'll draw a circle for its nose and J's for its mouth, and 3 freckles, with a U for the tongue and a straight line. For the eyes, you'll draw 2 circles, try to make them the same eyes, and put 3 eyelashes. We're going to make the puppy's eyes look cute, so draw a big circle and a tiny circle, and color the rest in. Now we're going to draw bends for the eyebrows. Now we're going to color in the puppy. I hope you liked this video. Bye!